volume growth could look like in FY18? This time around it was decent at around 8-9% for the quarter, that is. But for FY18 as a whole, what kind of estimates would you have?
See, for the last year, this year ended March, we had a flattish volume. Going forward, as we see that the infrastructure is picking up, a lot of contracts have been awarded. We are expecting that the financial year 2018 should be better off. At least a 5% to 7% growth should be there.
Mr. Cooper, good morning. Thanks for joining. My questions are more about minor details about FY17 itself. What was exactly the sales volume, the exact capacity utilization levels, and EBITDA per ton, especially in Q4?
Okay, so in terms of volume, it was 1.2 million tons. In terms of EBITDA per ton, it was on 650 rupees per ton. It is about 79 crores. And about, if you are looking at, you said about capacity utilizations, it was about 82%.
Therefore, you said 5 to 7% for the volume. Any guesses on EBITDA per ton?
For next year.
Sorry? Yeah, FY18.
That was for the next year.
I agree. You said 5 to 7 for the current year. But what would your guess be on the EBITDA per ton? You could do better than this 650?
Should be. That's what that should be expected out of it.
Okay, so you could be doing about 650. Can you also tell us what the outlook is as far as cement prices, especially in central India? What do you think could be the the texture over the next, say, 3 to 4 quarters?
And also past month, how is it been?
Okay, past month has been a little bad, especially if May is not so good because of sand shortage which is happening in central India, that is Uttar Pradesh. And there is a heat wave across the country, so during the month of May, one is seeing a little bit of sluggish demand. But I think as the monsoon sets in, the monsoon's forecast is good. I should expect that the month of June should go better. Coming quarters, I am expecting after the monsoons, the demand should be better off. And we are expecting at least a growth of about 4 to 5% to come in the next few quarters.
4 to 5% growth. A word on pricing as well, Mr. Cooper, in terms of whether there's, you spoke about monsoon being normal, whether the demand is strong enough for you to sustain these kind of prices going forward.
See, the prices have bottomed out, whatever it was there, and in fact, if you look at the prices have not even tapered off too much. They have been stagnating, at a certain level, which was of April levels. So despite the low demand, the prices in May have not slipped to that extent people might have expected. So I think there is an upside there. I don't think prices should decline any further.
Okay, so now for some details on your debt. Do you have to make any payments, your current debt levels, and any repayments that you may have also made in FY17?
See, as of now, our net debt is about 710 crores. And in this financial year, we will be making a payment of about 109 crores. And the year after that, it will be about 150 crores or so.
Okay, thanks a lot for that, Mr. Cooper. All the best for the quarters to